Okay, guys, I'm talking directly into the tip of the microphone. I'm going to talk about our website while doing this. So, if you go to the techmaison.com, link will be in the bio, you can build your streaming setup. Also, guys, make sure you guys go follow our Instagram and make sure you guys go follow our YouTube as well. Like I said, I'm talking directly into the top of the microphone here. Also, guys, make sure you guys go sign up for our newsletter by either doing this. You could either scroll all the way down and sign up right here, or you can click on this little chat box right here and sign up like that as well.